Oh shit. Hey bro, let me in. Damn. Shit, this niggas don't wanna say what's up no more.
Bro, I got some shit I gotta show you. Hey bro, tell me you ain't got nobody in here.
Bro, ain't nobody in here.
Look me in the fucking eyes and tell me you ain't got nobody in here.
Bro, ain't nobody in here, John. Damn, chill out, relax.
Woo, I got some shit to show you. Come here, bro. Come here.
Damn.
If only you knew, bro. I've been waiting all day to show you this shit.
Man, it better be good, bro, cause you talking mighty highly about what the fuck you trying to show me, bro.
Hey man, I got one quote for you. Say hello to my little friend.
Oh shit, my nigga got the blickety on him. Okay, you got the strap. All right, big pimpin'.
Hell yeah, you seen me, I keep that motherfucking yappa on me, the glizzy one. Nah, you know I keep that motherfucking thing on me now, bruh. Shee.
Oh yeah, nigga, I see you, nigga. I see you packing out. Let me see that thing.
Good, it's good. Nice piece of steel right there, huh?
You for surely packing the steel now, bro. What model is this, bro? This thing look heat.
Yeah, it's a 19. Alright, let me get it back. Let me hold it. Hey. Yeah, baby girl. Now I'll take care of you. I'll straighten you out. Bang. You're dead.
Man, John, what the fuck is wrong with you, bruh?
Man, relax. It ain't even loaded.
Man, nah, fuck all that, nigga. I don't give a fuck about none of that, bruh. You don't point no motherfucking gun at nobody, bruh. You lost your fucking mind.
Bro, who the fuck you think you... It's okay. Look at money. You're like a brother to me, man. You're like family, but I really don't appreciate you raising your tone at me like that. Like, I've always kept it straight with you. I've always had a real good attitude with you. But this is just disrespectful, man.
Whoa. John. Relax, bro. Please. Look, I apologize, bro. Just relax. Let bygones be bygones. And we forget about this, okay? I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's alright. Brain out, bitch. Yeah. Nobody fucking with me now. Yeah. Fuck.
911, what is your emergency?
Yeah, hello, hi. My friend. Listen, my friend. He's gone mad. He has a firearm, and I think he's going to kill me. I need you here. I need you guys here right now.
Okay, sir. I'm going to need you to calm down. And what is your address?
The address is 1588 Belmont Drive.
Okay, sir. We'll be there soon.
Bitch, listen. He's going to kill me. You need to hurry right.
Hello? Hello? Sir, are you still there, sir? Sir, are you still there? Sir, hello?
What is this? Kimani, you really gonna call the cops on me? You know, I thought we were friends, man. But you just betrayed it, and you betrayed our brotherhood. You know what I gotta do now, right? You know, I really didn't want it to come to this, or end this way. But now, you gotta pay the price.
Come on, John Luke. We're brothers, right? Come on, man. It's me, bro. We're brothers, bro.
Correction. We were bros.